Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert video to GIF in Canva. In order to do that, first of all, you have to sign up in the Canva. After that, you'll get to see this interface, and in the left corner, you will get to see this create a design. Just simply click on that. Now you have to select the videos from here. Just simply click. Now you have to choose landscape. And in this tutorial, for this tutorial, I will just select this video landscape. Now it will create a landscape by 1920 by 180 pixels. Now you have to you can upload a video from your uh, computer, or you can search a video in Canva as well. For example, cat video. Right now I don't have any video, so I will just simply search video on Canva. Simply, as you can see here, there is a all of these are premium, so I will just simply drag this video into this timeline, just resize this video and just make sure you have given resize the time span. Now I will, after selecting all of the things, after resizing the video, just simply click on this top right corner share icon or button. Just simply click on, and from here you have to click on this download button. Now this is a very important. Now you have to just change the file type to video to GIF. As you can see here, short clips, no sound. Now just click on download. So it will convert the video to GIF. So this is how you can convert video to GIF in Canva. It's now downloading. If this video found helpful, then subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.